Hi everyone, my name is Shirokimani. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make white ganache. So the two main ingredients for making white ganache, or basically ganache, is whipped cream, which I have just put in this sufuria, and my chocolate, which I have cut into small pieces and then put them all together here. So the best type of whipped cream to use is Pristine, though you can use Ambiente or Puratos, but I prefer to use Pristine. And this is white chocolate. You can either use white chocolate or dark chocolate. Just cut them into small pieces. So the first thing I'll do is that I'll create a double boiler for my chocolate so that my chocolate melts. So I'd heated up some water, so I'll just put my chocolate inside and wait for it to just melt. And then I will go on and heat up my whipped cream. I'm just covering my chocolate with some lid so that to allow it to melt with the steam. And then I'll make sure that I mix up my whipped cream. I just mix it. I'm supposed to wait for it till it boils. So our whipping cream is supposed to boil, and as you can see, mine is boiled very well. It's supposed to bubble like milk. So and then I'll just put it off, and then we will proceed to our chocolate. It's not a must to let your chocolate for all of it to melt, because we are putting it in the Pristine, which is very hot, and it will help it melt. So what we are going to do is that we are going to transfer all of our chocolate into our whipping cream. So the ganache is ready. I know you're wondering why this is my color. So the color was white because we used white chocolate, but I like to spice things a bit, so I added green color. So this is the consistency of our ganache. So what I'm going to do is basically I'll show you how to pour the ganache on a cake. So this is a cake I'd earlier on prepared. It's a red velvet cake. I've done a recipe on how to bake a red velvet cake. You can just check it up on my YouTube page. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to drip the ganache all over the cake. My cake is all covered up in our ganache. You notice these are just pieces of white chocolate. That I like it. I just want it to remain that way. And then what I want to do is that I want to put flowers on top. So earlier on, I showed you how to make flowers using a Russian nozzle and the buttercream flowers, which I had frosted. So what I'm just going to basically do is put flowers all around my cake. So in the middle, I just want to put in some of my rainbow sprinkles. Just want to sprinkle a bit. That is it for today. You can see how our cake looks like. Please make your own cake and tag me on my social media pages, on Instagram at Shirokimani, on Facebook at Shirokimani. Just tag me once you make your own cake and once you decorate it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are updated for more baking related content, and also click on the bell to get a notification once a new video comes up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye bye.